Hey folks, this is Christian Victor here to bring you another great life hack. One of the things that I really hate is when I have formatted text in one form or another and I need to convert it to unformatted plain text, for example, to use in a website CMS or anything else that you would need it for. And yeah, well, you can use tools for that. Maybe there's an option in your website CMS to even do that right away. But if that's not the case, and if you don't want to use any third-party software or a third-party CMS, this is actually the quickest way to do this. And I'm going to show that step by step. It will save you so much time, and it's such a simple process. I really love it. So here we go. What you need is the source file of where you have that formatted text. That can be a website or a PDF document, or in this case, I've prepared a Word file where there's clearly formatted text, as you can see. I'm going to select that text right now, copy that using a shortcut or whatever to copy that text that you want to use, and then go to step 2, which is open a web browser that features an address bar where you would normally enter a URL or search query. And what you're going to do is put your cursor in there, paste the text that you just copied, and as you see right away, the formatting is gone. Bye-bye formatting. Nice. So what the next step is, you select that text again using the select all function, copy that text, go to step 3, which is open the website CMS or whatever you want to put the text as an unformatted plain text into, and just paste that text you just copied. Et voila, finished, done. And that all took, I think, maybe less than 30 seconds. So I think that this is a great life hack. I hope you like it too. If you do, please subscribe to my channel. I will bring you more of these hacks quite soon. Or give me a thumbs up or share it to any friends that might need this tip as well. Hope to see you next time. Have a nice day. Stay safe.